Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to design product packaging in Illustrator. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So designing a product packaging in Adobe Illustrator is usually done with die lines that are templates so that the final result can be printed. So first of all, you need to set up your document. Open your Illustrator, open your file and tap on New. Now, set color mode to CMYK for print and set the resolution to 300 dpi if raster elements are included. Now, get or create a die line. You can either make it yourself or you can get the template. After this, you need to organize your layer. Bottom layer, layer 2, layer 3 for branding, and the top layer for text and barcodes. After this, you need to add branding and design elements. Import your logo, use swatches or Pantone colors, add design elements, and keep a good visual hierarchy. Once this is done, insert the required information and use guides and bleeds for the printing process. Once this is done, you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.